Hey everyone, and welcome to our Afterpay review. Product links are down below. So, what is Afterpay? It's a buy now pay later service splitting your purchases into interest-free payments over 6 weeks. Perfect for budget-conscious shoppers, Afterpay helps manage spending without credit cards. Signing up is simple. Download the app, verify your identity, and you're ready to shop online or in-store at participating retailers. At checkout, select Afterpay, and your total is automatically split. The first payment is due immediately, with the rest following every 2 weeks. You'll get reminders, so staying on track is easy. Best of all? 0 interest if you pay on time. No hidden fees, just late fees if a payment is missed. Link a reliable payment method to avoid those. Afterpay works with tons of brands, from fashion and beauty to electronics and home goods. It's great for avoiding credit card debt, especially for younger shoppers or those building financial discipline. But it's not for everyone. If you struggle with budgeting, Afterpay might tempt you to overspend. Make sure you can meet those deadlines. Bottom line, Afterpay simplifies shopping and promotes responsible spending. Used wisely, it's a game changer for managing expenses. If you're curious, now's the time. Check the description for more details and let us know what you think in the comments. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more reviews.